هلا اطلع على المراية شوف شوف السكارز. اكيد الانفجار بعده عايش فيي، انه ورح يضلوا عايش فيي كل حياتي apparently.
I looked at Pascal and my boyfriend. He was unconscious on the floor, blood all over his face and his leg and the house. I was just focused on him, but it registered in my head like, okay, the house is gone.
Actually كل شهر بيطلع لي ازازة شي محل بجسمي.
Till now.
Yeah, till now. بعد في ازاز بفخدي، بعد في ازاز باجري، و I guess بعد في ازاز بايدي. وقالوا لي انه رح يضلوا يطلع ازاز كتير من هلا لكذا سنة، لانه فات فيي كتير ازاز. كل ما يقرب 4 آب، وكل ما بعد انه ما حدا انلقط وما حدا فات على الحبس، angry يعني الانجر عم بيضرب كتير. يعني بدك تكسر، بدك تنزل تتظاهر، تكب مولوتوف عليهم، تكسر تولون. It's very internal anger كتير قوي.
There is a kind of a survival mode that we're all in. As you mentioned, the gas and whatever, and the medicines that are not available, all of this stuff. So that constantly being, after this surviving kind of process doesn't allow for a real and healthy kind of time to process.
Got better, and then Pascal moved back in, and we were just terrified of any sound, any single. It wasn't visually triggering. It was just any sound, doors shutting, the storm, winds being too loud, hearing like something fall down the stairs or echo. I don't know. It's just something changed, and it's like a state that we can never go back to. I guess I'm not sure if I would say it lost its soul, because I still think it has a lot of soul, but it's a wounded soul, I guess. That's the thing that's changed.